I was that way. When I was a teenager, even though I had that piece of me that, man, I want to be a performer in me, that started when I was 6 years old, I didn't really know what to do with that. And so when I got to my teen years, I was pretty aimless. I never had anybody say, hey, you've got this talent, you should be this, you should do that. So I was as aimless as my peers. I did sports, but I didn't care about school. I got into trouble. I was kind of the black sheep of the family because I had no direction. And one of the things that I found in my 40 years of teaching this material is that most young people, and I'm sure there's many of them, many of you who are watching this maybe can relate to this. Most young people, because they don't have a purpose, they don't have that sense of destiny, they don't know what they're here for. No one ever told them, hey, you could be really good at this. They feel disconnected. If you're like, why am I here? What am I supposed to do? My life doesn't have any meaning. In fact, there was a survey done, some research done, just recently in the last year. And they took a survey of young people aged 16 to 29. And they found this. 89% of young people aged 16 to 29 years old do not believe that they have a purpose or that their life has any meaning. That's almost 90%. That's almost 9 out of 10 young people that are going, what am I here for? My life's not worth anything. That's why we see teen suicide. That's why we see teen pregnancies, drug abuse, all of these things, because people are looking for something and they don't know what they're looking for, but it's their purpose that God has put in them. I don't want any one of you watching this to be a part of that statistic. And I'm so thankful that you're watching this right now, because we're going to help you get out of that statistic and into a different statistic that we call the 3%ers that you'll